it's me, DKKK, and today I will be showing you guys how to do a screen recording phone video with the background. So yeah, let's get started. Apps you're going to need are on the screen. Those are the apps that you're going to need if you have an iOS device. I haven't used my Android phone in some years, so I really don't know how to do this for Android. But you could try finding it at different stuff. So the first thing you're gonna need is a gradient or a wallpaper background. I recommend that you choose something that goes or fits with the video. Or if it's just a how-to video, you can use a gradient. You could use a gradient. Well, you should use a gradient, but you don't have to. So, right now the background that I have for this video is this. But the one that you should use, the one I have for the background is this one. But the one I'm going to be using to show you guys, to demonstrate to you guys, is this one. Because if I use the same I don't want to use the same background. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to save the image. Go ahead, save the image. And then after that, you're going to go ahead and search an iPhone or Android phone PNG. It could be any phone, but I'm using an iPhone. And also, I recommend using the phone that you have. So let's say you have a iPhone X. Search iPhone X and use that phone. Or let's say you have an Android. Let's say you have a Samsung Galaxy Mega. You search Samsung Galaxy Mega. But for the purpose of this video, and because I have the phone, I will be using a iPhone 6. And try to make it, if you want to, you don't have to, but if you want to, try to make it look exactly like your phone, but you don't have to, by the way. Okay, so after you're done all the searching and you got your background and your phone, what you're going to want to do next is go ahead and go to iMovie. And by the way, like I said in the beginning of the video, this will only work. You can only have iMovie on iOS, but you can have Pocket Video on. You can have Pocket Video on your Android, but the thing is, they don't have the thing that I'm about to show you now. So yeah. Okay, so after you pick your photo, you open iMovie. You're gonna go ahead and do the movie, and then you're gonna choose your photo. So now what we're gonna do is make it as long as the video. So the video is actually more than 35 seconds. But for the purpose of this video, we are going to make it 10 seconds. And when you are actually making a video, you're going to want to make the background image. You're gonna want to make the background image the same length as the video that you're having on your phone, or else it would cut off at the wrong time. So I recommend putting HD 720p, but you could do whatever you want. But this is what I'm going to be doing. So after it gets exported to your photo library, you're going to want to open Pocket Video. You're gonna want to click start a new project. And you're going to click custom video and landscape. You're gonna want to click the pink plus button, and then what you're gonna do next is you're gonna go ahead and tap the background that you have, and then click done. So now that it's imported, you're going to go on photo sticker, and you're going to want to pick photo sticker because it will help you with your editing. So you want to make it a great size. You do not want to make it too small or too big where it's like this, only showing, because then why are you using it if you're just gonna have it like this? You could just use the regular screen or when your viewers can see it. So you want to have it just right, and preferably like this, where they could see it. It's not too big and it's not too small. Okay, so now that we're done with that, you're gonna go ahead and again you're gonna go to video sticker. Press add, and you're going to go to camera roll. And then you tap on videos, and you're going to find the video that you're going to use. So we're going to use, so we're going to use this clip. This is a old clip. 0.5. It was a prank. And you're gonna choose a clip, and it has to be a video record. It has to be a screen recording because the other ones would go into a square length. And you don't want that. Okay. So gonna try to find the correct length. The correct size to fit the phone properly. Okay, so that's good. Let's see. Okay, so that's good. Okay, so now that you've done all that, you're going to go ahead and do whatever other. And then say you want to do a voiceover because you don't have enough sound or something. And filters, I don't recommend it, but you could go ahead and do whatever you want. It's yours. It's your channel. Okay. So once you're done with all that, you could add some music if you want. You could add some music. So when you're done, you're gonna tap the finish button, and you're gonna if you want to add music, if you didn't add music, then you're gonna press no to the you didn't add music option, and then you're gonna go. So once it's done composing, you're gonna see the screen, and your choice is to save the camera roll, send it to somebody on Messenger, message somebody the video before uploading it, probably uploading it straight to Instagram, or uploading to Facebook, or straight to YouTube. And if you tap more, it's basically gonna give you options to send it to Snapchat, email, to an editing copy that says Vine, iMovie, wherever, a reaction cam, so you can upload it. And then that's what it's basically gonna do. So then you're going to go ahead, and when you're done, you're going to go ahead and save it. And yeah, so that is how you do the background thing. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have